Hello color friends! Welcome back to our 4th edition of the K-pop Demon Hunters special. Today we are coloring the super cool Jinu from the K-pop Demon Hunters. He is ready to take the stage. We'll start with number 1, black. This bold color is for Jinu's sleek hair. Carefully fill in all the top sections of his hair to give him that signature K-pop look. Next up is number 2, beige. This is the main skin tone for Jinu's face, neck and hands. Make sure to color evenly around his eyes and mouth to keep his expression clear. Now, let's find number 3, brown. We are using this for the small details in his eyes. Just a little bit of brown makes his gaze look bright and full of energy. Time for number 4, pink. This fun color is for all the magical stars floating around Jinu. It's also the color we'll use for the stylish letters in his name at the top of the page. Let's move to number 5, gray. This cool shade is for Jinu's tactical jacket. Color in the large sections of his outfit to give him a sleek, professional demon hunter style. Finally, let's finish with number 7, dark beige. Use this for the shadow details on his face and under his chin. Wow! Jinu looks absolutely incredible. He's definitely ready for the spotlight. What's your favorite part of his outfit? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coloring fun. See you next time.